I started with the most basic nude nails and somehow turned them into this soft luxury cat eye set. And honestly, I almost ruined the entire thing with one tiny bubble. I haven't done my nails in about 2 weeks, so my cuticles definitely needed some attention. One thing I've learned is that cleaning up this area actually makes your nail bed look longer and cleaner instantly. I'm only removing the dead skin here because overcutting can make your nails look irritated really fast. Next, I'm removing the shine from the nail surface so the set lasts properly. I'm using medium Almond full cover tips, and I always make sure they fit sidewall to sidewall. If the tip is too small, it will pinch the nail, and if it's too big, the set just looks bulky. Then I'm applying peel base to a little over 3/4 of the nail because I still want decent retention while making removal easier later. Next, I'm applying my base coat and I cure for 30 seconds. I always keep my base coat layer thin here because thick layers can make the nails look bulky really fast. After curing the base coat, I'm setting up my workspace with rubbing alcohol as my slip solution. I also like cleaning my brush before starting because dry polygel residue can make application uneven really quickly. For this set, I'm using Makartt A Siesta, which is one of my favorite soft nude shades. Since this is the lazy girl method, I'm placing a small bead inside the nail tip and patting it out evenly. I usually leave a little space near the cuticle area because once you press the tip down, the product spreads forward naturally. And this is where I noticed a tiny bubble on the pinky nail. A bubble might seem small, but once you cure it, it can completely ruin the smooth finish. So instead of ignoring it, I removed the nail and re-smoothed the polygel before applying it again. I'd rather redo one nail now than ruin the smooth finish later. This time, I'm taking a little longer to smooth the product out because even thin air pockets can show through once everything is cured and glossy. Now the application looks way cleaner. Then I flash cure while holding the nail in place so it doesn't shift. I also smooth underneath because bulky undersides instantly makes nails feel less professional. Once I get the first nail right, I repeated the same process on the rest of nails. And honestly, this nude shade already looks pretty by itself. From the side view, you could really see how thin this method stays when you don't overload the tip with product. After everything was applied, I cured the nails for 60 seconds in my larger lamp. Before filing, I'm removing the sticky layer using rubbing alcohol so the nails feel smoother and easier to refine. If you skip this step, your file can start sticking to the product and the shaping just won't look as clean. Now it's time to refine the shape because filing honestly makes the biggest difference in whether nails look expensive or homemade. I focus a lot on the side walls and the lower arch because that's what helps the nails look slimmer and more balanced. And even though this shape looks sharp, I still wanted it to feel soft and elegant. These already looked so clean after filing. After filing, I'm using another layer of base coat before going in with the glitter top coat. This helps smooth everything out even more and gives the cat eye polish a cleaner surface to sit on. Next, I'm applying this champagne glitter top coat from Makartt. It's super subtle, but it gives the nails this soft, reflective glow underneath the cat eye. Then I'm layering this silver cat eye polish over top. First, I'm activating the magnet particles using a cylinder magnet, but this next step completely changed the look of the set. I'm placing the rectangular magnet alongside of the nail to create that soft moon-shaped cat eye effect. This part is honestly so satisfying to watch because the light shifts completely depending on the angle. Once I liked the placement, I flash cured each nail immediately to lock the effect in place. This part honestly changed the entire look of the set. The second the magnet starts pulling the particles, the nails almost look glowing from inside, and every angle catches the light differently. Then I sealed everything with top coat to really bring out the glow. At this point, I already knew these were gonna look so good in flash. And of course, I'm top coating underneath too because it makes the nails look way cleaner from every angle. I honestly love how soft and expensive these turned out. The nude base, the subtle glitter, and that moon cat eye effect all work together so nicely without looking too overdone. Definitely one of my favorite luxury nude sets so far. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!